we have a big news for you. The Caribbean University Corporation will again prove that it is one of the most recognized institutions in that country. Pedestal of the best national ranking and it is one of the universities that offer children virtual career. We have in front of faculty of the University of Secar. Our kind lady and lady, you are good to tell us more about this important news. Go ahead, companion.
Good morning. The University of the Caribbean has qualified teachers. A very beautiful place. It has course of face to the face undergraduate, virtual undergraduate, distance undergraduate, and postgraduate course. A high quality education. It is private university that gives you the opportunity to study while you also work. It has a very practical platform and each modality is excellent. With you, my partner, Ladies Milan.
Thank you, partner. Well, yes, you want to continue studying and you have problem with the timing and distance and even money, we have the solution. Study at the Caribbean University Corporation. From Santander, we invite you to register and stay being part of the university so that you continue to fulfill your goals and dreams. Go ahead and find out on our website www.secar.edu.co and Facebook and Instagram. If you wish to contact us via email, contacto@secar.edu.co or by calling our telephone line 314-624-8816. We will wait for you. Don't know why more.